Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Nice having you all again. Yes, to you all my subscribers, I say thank you all. I'm so happy for you guys getting me to where I am today. Without you, I wouldn't have been there. So thank you guys. I appreciate you all. Mwah. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing avocado hair mask. Here are the ingredients we are going to be using for this hair mask. 1 avocado, 2 eggs, 3 spoons of plain white yogurt. Coming to the oils: olive oil, amla oil, and flaxseed oil. For my scent, I'm using lavender essential oil. Avocado is being used as a hair mask since times immemorial. With the avocado hair mask around, having healthy and shining hair will be a fairly simple thing for you. Avocados are packed with many key nutrients like proteins, amino acids, the A, D, E, and B6 vitamins, and folic acid. These elements play an important role to keep the hair moisturized as well as protecting the scalp. These fruits include antioxidants that penetrate deep into the scalp to exercise their beneficial effects. An avocado hair mask also contains monosaturated fats, which makes your hair strands stronger. Mixing all the ingredients together: the avocados, egg, yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil are already in. Here are 2 spoons of amla oil and 3 spoons of flaxseed oil. Lastly, some drops of lavender essential oil for the scent. Now I blend through all the products to make a hair mask. Yeah, it's ready. This is my hair mask. You can call it pudding or hair food because it's very rich with nutrients. Combining the hair mask with the healthy oils and the egg provides the hair with the essential nutrients that it needs. Here I twist up my hair after applying to various parts of the hair, applying them generously, making sure that each strand gets the product evenly. Yeah, after the application, I covered my hair with a plastic bag to keep it warm, tie it up with a towel. Yes, I had this for 2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah. After 2 hours, I loosed the hair, and it was hot, feeling very warm, as if it was cooking with all the products and ingredients on it. It had a very good effect, being so soft, so nice from the feelings. Now I washed it off, and this is the look after it has been washed off. Then I set my hair into twists and have it overnight to get this look. Yeah. That's the hair coils popping. This is the look I got the next day after retwisting that hair. Yes, that is the look. If your priority is to maintain the health of your hair, you should not miss this lovely avocado hair mask. The mask brings together the vital elements of the avocado and all the good nutrients from egg. This excellent mask will not disappoint you. Thanks for watching. Bye.